Hey guys, you might be wondering why I'm big. It's because I was doing something with one of my friends for this recording, and this will be basically reviewing over the Christmas update. If you haven't seen the post, I will be showing you where the tapes are, and basically how to get to the very end, and going through the entire map. Except I'm gonna do something very useful. So I'm gonna just run down this entire thing and show you what can happen, and I'll just go down. So these will give you, I'm pretty sure, 10 nuts each if you touch them, and then this will give you 5. Also, these explode you, dealing like half your HP. But blue ones don't really do anything. Oh, and these also give you stuff. Give you nuts. So I had like no intro since I'm too big to do anything. Also set watch. Oh, it does do like slight damage. Barely any though. But this one, sadly, I'll be doing alone since Handy, my friend, is not really in the mood to play anymore, so I did call him. Oh, but he did tell me to say hi to everyone, so yeah. Oh wait. I just realized something. What? Where are the big beans? Okay. Now these are company YouTubers, which, hey, where's Chubby Snail actually? Oh, there he is. He actually is his snail. Oh, by the way, if you fall off, you will die. Trip content creators. Chubby Snail's right there. And hopefully, maybe I can get on here eventually. It kind of looks like the person from eBay, but my goal is to get the content creator hat. So if you guys could help me, that would be a huge help. Oh, and it's kind of actually fun to be giant. But also sorry that I'm going on a decent break. It's just I don't want to have to worry about my YouTube content during my winter vacation, and also I'll be pretty busy there, so I will, there's a tiny chance I do upload, but if I don't, I'm sorry, but yeah. Oh, also they actually brought back the old map down here, but the cool thing is that the old map is decorated to be the Christmas. Like the Christmas map. Or winter map. See, there's where you go to office. Then sewers. You'd actually travel down here. And then you go through that hole, but sadly blocked off. Now, company, if you're watching this, please bring back old sewers. That was my favorite map, and and also, okay, sorry if I'm complaining. Oh wait, that's actually, before we move on, I will actually be showing where all the tape locations are. And right here, at the top, you can actually find the OG map tape, right there. But I already got all the tapes in this game. I think this was the entrance to Forest. I'm not sure. I don't know. I know that's an entrance to something. I think that, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Yeah, but this we'll be going to later. That's a huge part. Oh, also when traveling down the hill, it'll show your best record until. Is that seriously the number 60? If you're watching this, I swear I will find you if you just did the 7 dance thing. Dude, Animal Company, why? Why? Just why? Why can't you just make it? Why don't you have to add that? Just remove that and have that, please, please. I do actually, for content's sake, I do need to shrink down, which will be called oofing myself. Okay, there. Now I can go and probably just forest right here and kill myself. Oh, finally. Okay, ogre. Okay, ogre, you can do it. Is that really? Really? That's all that happens? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait. Come on. Attack me. Oh, yeah, the chicken. The chicken. Can the chicken do anything? Nah. Sorry guys, just skip the video. Sorry, I have to. Another ogre? Wait, there's 3 ogres. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Okay. It's so close. Come on. Are they gonna double shot me? They both missed? What? Come on. Please. How big was my body? And that's how big my body was? How big were my ghosts? Okay, guys. I feel so weird. Oh, I'm not sure what the hot chocolate does. Let's pretend that item doesn't exist. Okay, so we're gonna have to get a grappler. And that's kind of it. That's all I really need. And later on, we will probably get a rocket. Oh, by the way, if you go through the entire map, you actually get this special snowboard, which is signed by a bunch of creators, and then, yeah. Also, if you ever need skis or anything, just go over here. It's way more convenient. Oh, I should probably get a flashlight too, I just realized. was close. But items I really didn't need. Glow stick. Because by the time creature. Oh wait, there's actually another thing that we can go real fast. The tapes all just be getting along the way. So if you go right down here, you should see a little tunnel. Then it should be right there. But the mountains tape, just the whole thing itself. But if you go down here, oh no! I have to ride on my double jump right here, guys. Oh, I'm stuck. Let me out. Okay. Finally I got. Oh no, I don't. Falling down there is a death trap since there's a hole right there. Oh, wait a minute. I can actually just ski on right here. Never mind. I'm so soon. You see what happens when you get hit by one of these? Kaweesh! Now that actually might kill me later on. Because we're going to a spooky place. I just like to call it the haunted cabin. It says haunted mansion, it's just the haunted cabin. Or the cabin. Or the outpost or something like that. I call it the outpost sometimes since I think that's what the tape is called. Anyways, let's just get speedy right here. Oh, yep, we almost just went off the mountain. Now we're actually going to just head on over. Also, those will just teleport you back to the top. And unless it's the one up there, we'll just teleport back to you to the thing. Why is there just a baked beans? Yeah. So all you have to do is you'll just have to head down here. And then it kind of just go down here. And now actually if you go this way, go towards that corner. Turn a sharp corner. Right about, I'll say right here. This is the haunted cabin tape. Right there. Now, we'll have to do something hard. Oh, yep, that's one of the monsters. That's the monster. Do I not have an umbrella? Okay, guys. I'm actually gonna turn down my volume real quick because I got scared. this. Put this right here. Yeah, that should be it. Now guys, this is actually probably one of the funnest things in Animal Company. This slutty road here. Smells speed down and slow down. And it depends on what's happening. But it isn't fun to do it while having an open umbrella because it kind of ruins the entire fun. I need to have my head down or else the umbrella will just carry me forward. This basically happens. That's where we gotta go. Also, if I'm breathing heavily in any way, things, also, I'm not sure if I want to do YouTube shorts or not since I talk way too long. Not sure what I'll do. Oh, basically that happens. It only opens a slight bit though. By the way, if you go into this black stuff, it doesn't kill you, it just brings you back up, which can be very annoying, but it is what it is. Now, we are going to actually skip all of this, because since I have my umbrella, I can skip this entire hard part. Now, I actually will be, I'm not sure actually. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I won't show you what paths that you need to go down to, okay, yeah, I think it's time to like, yep. You know what, fine, I'll since I love my viewers, I will just show you both ways. That'll be easy though. Also, you're supposed to catch up all of your momentum here, but to go down one of these paths. So we're gonna I'm gonna show you. Okay, this path is actually pretty bad. Okay, so this one is short but hard, and then the other one is long but easier. This happens. You have to do that, then get to there, swoop over to there, and then that's the exit. By the way, if you get caught in the black goop, it brings you up like right at the end of that part of the what was it? Sorry, it's night for me, so my brain isn't braining good. This will be uploaded like a day after it's recorded, probably, because my brain's flushed, so it should come out on like Sunday. So you have to jump right here, then you get this boost, and you're supposed to launch all the way over here, get your momentum, and then swerve to get this, and then you're supposed to jump to get here. Then it was just because I had the umbrella, that's why I got messed up. Then this, And then, yeah. Actually, hold on. And that's the entrance from the other area. Or exit, I should say. So, this is the big part. So, this is the last tape, actually, you're gonna need. So, and also, that reel right there is very important. So, this is the last tape for the parkour area, the frozen vault. But what we gotta do is go over and grab this reel. It's very important. And now we have to go back to the OG map. So, if you want, again, if you ever want to, you can just skip through my content to find the good parts. You can do that. But, this video is actually okay. It's just, wish I had fun. But speaking of it, if you ever want to, I'm more than happy for fans to join my videos. Also, this happened last video. If I ever meet you in game and you want to play, please, just please do not comment on my videos or posts asking what to play, because there was an account that I took down their comment because they asked me if I was available to play. So please, if you're seeing this, don't comment just to ask if I can play. That's very unnecessary. You can just text me through VR or something. Also, I saw a comment asking me this: are you a furry? And my actual answer is no, I am not. I just like animals, and I like dogs, and I like making OCs a lot, so making a channel mascot was really nice for me, because also now it's just my mascot. Also, I accidentally made it be having a lot of similarities to the D word. That was unintentional. I wanted a name that nobody that I know has. So if there's a character that has the same name, I'm sorry. But anyways, also I would love to do a Q&A. I love getting asked questions in the comments. So if you're watching this, please leave a comment and asking me stuff, or saying what I can improve through my comments besides editing. I know I'm trying to get edited, but anyways, time for the good part. So all I gotta do is just put the reel here.
Jimmy, stop! Jimmy, stop! Jimmy! Jimmy!
Hi! Is that a crowbar? That's such a fun trampoline!
Would you rather a free rocket or a mystery bag?
Oh, God did it for me!
Joking with it, go. Joking with
Hey buddy, you need a haircut?
Sorry, but I have to go.
What do you mean? No! What are you doing? No!
Get out of the water! Oh, it's flagging!
I mean, just look at her.
Now, as you can see, there's now a portal. You can grapple onto it, but now it disables. Also, if you get close to these, it gives you a single company coin. You might say, oh, that's lame. I wish there was more to it. Well, there's a lot of these. There's a lot around the entire area. Also, there's a lot of items. So see, the big brain. Also, can be cases or company cases, I'm not sure. I thought this said Elon Musk for a second. No disrespect. But this is the best hide and seek spot ever. If you're playing hide and seek, you're going to the roll. And now, these are actually the credits. Or yeah, these are actually the credits. It's just the credits. Also, if you fall down there, there's multiple labeled checkpoints, but devs only do not touch crying faces, unadvisable. No. Now, these are all the owners, I think. And now, if you click this button, there's my username on the banana, and then it launches you all around here. And also, your arms are stuck like this. Now that happens, then you should unlock the special snowboard. Already showed it earlier. Yay! And that's kinda it. I'm not sure what the hot chocolate does. I actually don't know if it has a purpose or it's just there. But I don't know. Also, don't ever actually buy these because wait a minute, why are they cheaper? Wait, why are they cheaper? Either way, you can get them for free, literally in that area. But so that actually, why is my head big? It doesn't matter. It just happens. I never stop, but then would show stuff. Yada yada yada. But so you just have to. I don't think I need to do something. Okay, yeah, the prop scanner. We all know about the prop scanner. Flamethrower skull. I don't know what that is though. What does it mean by explore deeper? But either way, so where is it? Oh yeah, here it is, the mountain. Here is the top. I don't know why it says no permission. Then this is all right there. If we go to the outpost, there we enter here. This is what the map thing is. Like the cabin. Then Lost Valley. Oh. The tiny OG map. The little tiny OG map. Then now Frozen Vault. This is all the way there, and then that's the place where we went inside, and then that's right there is where the tape is. Hope this video helped you, or are you glad you just decided to watch this out of every other YouTuber. But just also, if you ever want to, yes, I will give your YouTube channel a shout out if you want. But my dream is to become a popular VR YouTuber, and it actually, hold on, let me check. Okay, yeah, no chats. That was way too private. I don't want to look at my library actually. So, or click. Oh yeah. Let me just. Okay, yeah. Just don't worry about. Don't worry about NoClip VR. I installed it, but then, yeah. UGG was decent until I thought it was a simulator game. I have, not really. This is like, okay. I'm just going to say this part is going to be reminiscing of all the games I have, and feel free to ask me in the comments if you want to actually, play these. So, oh yeah, that's the date. Oh, probably not show that since it has my internet. Animal Company, Rec Room, VR Chat. I do not know that much about VR Chat. I just restarted playing it today. Rough Knots. I mean, if you really want me to do content about it, it's basically VR Pokemon. No discriminate over it, but I did almost do a video about it until it ended up getting a bit too boring. And that's like I'm not sure if that's a well-known game. Monsters and Mazes is basically Pillar Chase 2, but actually isn't that bad. I think I said this before, UGG started to feel like a simulator game slowly. I mean, it's nice, but like, I stopped... I like it that their event maps, or like their... Like, I'm pretty sure the mountains are gonna stay, circus, graveyard. Meanwhile, the Bone Land went away! Justice for the Bone area. Then we got Roblox. Okay, seriously, I don't play Roblox VR like at all. Job Simulator, if you really want me to. I mean, that game is okay, but like, so then we. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to end this video soon because I'm pretty sure. Oh, also, apparently one time in this code, some random people joined and started cursing and saying and calling me a stupid F word. If you're watching this, we're still not cool. Like, I gave you free money by doing. I got lava ore for you, and I got lava ore for you as a gift, and you didn't even say thank you at all. I think you said like thanks, I guess. Then you just asked me to get the heck out of here, even though this is a. Oh wait, oh yeah, I'm not in even my recording code. I just realized. Stupid me. Girl tag. I said this before. I don't think I need to say it again. I had an incident in Girl Tag before that made me hate it. I got really mad in Gorilla Tag. But also J-Man Curly. He's actually a pretty chill guy. I don't mind J-Man Curly. Okay, that just came with my VR. I have to fully tell that came with my VR. It was pre-installed. Surprised, wait. I'm surprised. Yeah. Never mind. Okay, yep, that's the end. This is all games I don't actually have for some reason. It's here. That's kinda it. Now, if you actually ever want to, I might be able to release that Rough Knots video if you really want to. I don't even did an outro since I wasn't gonna originally post that. I would love to show you behind the scenes stuff, but I'm not sure. I don't feel comfortable yet with so low viewers, because if you will like to, or like please, like I don't say this to get traction. Just please, comment on my videos to help me out, because listen, Listen, I wouldn't know what to do unless it's Animal Company release our Christmas update. Oh wait, there's actually one last thing. Oh wait, sorry there's a long outro. Sorry there's a long outro, but just stick with me for 2 seconds. I'll put it in the description, so yeah. So actually, this is what happens if you break one of the presents if somehow you haven't yet. Oh my goodness! Oh! Heck no! Okay guys, our goal is to get that egg. Little... Okay, guys, we gotta go fast. We got the golden egg. We got the golden egg. And now time to sell it for some money, 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 money. Oh yeah. Oh, there's just a glitch that Labubu just is there, and it's very annoying since it'll keep pushing you backwards, and then yeah, it'll stick on your face for eternity, and your friend you'd have to get out while get out of the safe zone so it can damage you, and it can get damaged. I'm not sure if you have to be, but all I know is that your friend has to kill it, or with like a revolver, or you have to jump into like sewers, because then you'll just die. Okay, why is it taking so long? Okay, so basically 419, or rounding up would be 420. So, not bad, but this was an actually decent video of me being alone. Oh yeah. Just to see what happens. Once you go out. Damage. Okay. Ow. And if you go in sewers, it will be very hard to perform. I'm really good at this game. Now, let me answer something though, real quick at the end of this video. If you ever get stuck in sewers, and you want to get out without dying, all you gotta do is have an umbrella and decent skills or double jump. All you gotta do is just swing on your arms back and forth, and then try to get in there. It's easier with double jump, but if you don't have double jump, you might be cooked. Hopefully, you can get out, but actually, I just realized something. Okay, guys, there's gonna be one last thing to this video. Oh, sorry, my headset might be getting low soon, so if it says your headset's running low, that means it's at 15%, and I actually need to charge it soon. Oh, also, if you're wondering, even though I sound young, I do actually support the Great Meme Reset. I'm not playing, I only played Steel Brain a couple of times, and there it goes, if you did not see it, but that means, that's the warning call to hurry up, and if I end the video abruptly, it's probably because I need to before my headset dies, because then there's a small chance that the video gets corrupt because it didn't save properly, and that would not be good. You don't want the video to get corrupt, don't worry. I'm new to content, I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but all I need to know is that I need to hurry the heck up. Can't really take a jump. This is actually the first time I went through the entire map alone with no assistance. This is a good feeling. I feel like I am better at Animal Company now. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, I had some arrows. I'm probably There's actually one last thing. I never checked behind the curtain. I never checked behind the curtain. Did I miss? Like behind here, did I miss something? Oh, yes I did. I did not realized this was here because I saw a video. But anyways, guys, this is probably gonna wait. I might be able to do an actual outro. Not sure. Pray I can. Also, this video has a 0% chance, 90% chance. Okay, never mind. I can't. I would just do right here, but I'm just gonna finish off the video with a little bit of parkour. Oh wait, and then the actual tape that will be sticking right here. Oh yeah. Anyways, this video is over for real this time. Actually, I'm not sure if I'll put a description because we ended up doing a. Never mind, I will. Dumb. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Oh wait, this is where the rocket is gonna be. I'm getting too distracted. Oh wait, the video's gonna be super long. It doesn't matter. But anyways, see you all in the next video, which will, well, I guess see you all next year since, yeah. See you all next year. And have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Would be super cool if I could. Happy New Year's and just have a nice time. Hope you get something good for Christmas. Get something bad, and I'm sorry. I can't control that. Just Merry Christmas, and to all have a good night.